Welcome to lesson 4 of YCT Standard Course. Today we continue learning about family members. 你的父母在哪里工作? This means, where do your parents work? 你的父母在哪里工作? 你的父母在哪里工作? 他们在城市里工作. This is an answer to the above question, and it means they work in the city. 他们在城市里工作. 他们在城市里工作. 工作 means work. 城市 means city. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.